AJ, what number is that?
9.
9. Where's the number 2? Where's number 2? 2. Good job. Where's number 6? 6. Where's 6? Uh-oh, that's 8. Where's 6? Good job. Where's number 10? 10. Good job. Where's number 7? Great. What's number 1? What's 1? Good. Where's number 5? Where's number 4? Great. Where's number 8? Great job. Where's the avocado? Yes, that's number 9 and the avocado's over there. Good job, AJ. Give me some. Boom. Okay, you ready to make the snow? Hi, and welcome back. You're with Lonnie and AJ. AJ, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Today we are going to learn about snow. And the theme for this week is winter. So we are going to be making ice cream. What? What do you see? The book? Go get the book. So today we are going to be making some snow ice cream. To correct myself, we are going to be making some snow ice cream, and it's just basically is really easy. Stay tuned so you can see how we make the snow ice cream. Thank you, AJ. AJ brought some books, and these are some of the books that we got from the library. And I will put these books in the description below. AJ, say see you soon.
See you soon.
Before we get our day started, I'm going to make some tea. I have the water beginning to boil. I have some peppermint, and I'm going to put a little bit of lime and ginger into the water so it can boil, and then we be able to eat our smoothie today. Raspberry, blackberry, blueberries, banana. This is mango, and we have a little bit of nectarine right here. This is the dragon fruit, a little bit of water, the chia seeds, hemp seeds, and some walnuts. All this will be in the smoothie bowl. is the
back in book.
This is the front of the book.
Back in book.
This is the
Right in the book.
and this is the
Back in book.
this is the
Right.
this is the
Back in book.
this is the back of the book. This is the
Back in the book.
front of the book.
Back in the book.
Give me some. Okay, look. This says winter.
Okay.
Winter.
Right.
The winter is cold. It's cold, AJ. Look. Let's look at winter. What do you see? What do you see, AJ? Okay, thank you. What do you see? You see snow? Do you see it?
Black.
Huh?
Black.
Black. Where's the black? Right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Mama's gonna open the book. Look! How do you know it's winter? The temperature is cold. It's cold. And what do you see? What's that? Do you remember? What's that? It's a snowman. What do you see on a snowman?
Set it down.
You see the snowman thumb?
Huh?
Snowman has arms. You see the arms? What else do you see?
Dark.
It's dark. Yes, the tree is dark. The tree is dark. And what else do you see?
No.
You see snow. You see snow. What else do you see?
Hat.
The hat. Can you show me hat? Hat. Hat. What else do you see?
Dark.
Oh, you see the shadow of the snowman right here. It's called a shadow. Can you say shadow?
Shadow.
Shadow. Look, what is this? The snowman has something around his neck. What is that?
Dark.
A scarf. A scarf. That's what you've been trying to say. A scarf? A scarf. This is a scarf. Good. What is this?
Nose.
Where's your nose? Ah. What's this? What's that?
Mouth.
Mouth? What's your mouth? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. And what's this?
Nose.
This is the
Eye.
eyes. The snowman has 2 eyes. Where's the other eyes? I see it. How many eyes do you have? How many eyes? You have 2? Mommy have 2. See, 1, 2. 1, 2. Can you blink your eyes? Blink, 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 blink. Say it. What do you see?
What's in the hole?
Huh?
What's in the animal?
Where's the animals? You looking for the animals? Look, I see an animal. Do you remember how to do animal? Can you say animal? Do you remember how to do animal? Animal. Good. Animal. Look, what is this?
Bunny.
A bunny. Little bunny, foo, foo, hopping through the forest. Come on here. Hop, 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 hop like a bunny. Hop, 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 hop like a bunny. Hop, 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 hop like a bunny. Hop, 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 hop like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Come over here, Larry. Come up right here. Hop, 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 hop like a bunny. Hop, 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 hop like a bunny. Hop, 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 hop like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Atlet, jumping up and down. Jumping up and down. You finished? Okay. Right now we are going to make the snow. We are using a blender with already crushed ice in there. And we're just gonna blend it up till it becomes really fine, and I'm gonna let him play with that for fine motor skills. Then we will get to do the snow ice cream. You eating the ice?
Yeah.
So right now we're gonna blend it up. Vanilla extract. We're gonna use sugar and milk.
Mommy, I'll pop it.
You pop it? What are you popping?
Mommy,
Yes.
it's too big.
It's too big? Yes, only take a little bit.
One. See? One.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy,
Yes, AJ.
it's too big, Mommy.
Yes, it's too big. Okay, that's enough, AJ.
I said it. Mommy, it's too big. Mommy, it's too big. Mommy, it's too big. It's too big.
You finished?
Mommy, it's too big.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Did you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. It's okay, Mommy.
It's okay?
It's okay.
Say subscribe for next time.
Bye-bye. Next time.
Say bye.